If you're looking to track your engagement analytics with Outgrow and make sure you're getting the most from this powerful tool, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll break down exactly how to track engagement analytics with Outgrow, so you can boost your lead generation, optimize content, and ultimately enhance your user experience. Stick around till the end for a special bonus that will give you access to Outgrow for free. Now, when you first log into Outgrow, you're presented with a wealth of data about how your quizzes, surveys, and calculators are performing. But knowing what to look for and how to interpret it is key. So, let's dive into the essential metrics you need to track engagement. The first thing you want to do is familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It provides a high-level overview of your engagement data in real time. This includes metrics like total interactions, completion rates, and your users' engagement with specific sections of your content. It's important to focus on these numbers because they give you a snapshot of how your audience is responding. Outgrow's analytics dashboard allows you to filter by date range so you can track how your engagement changes over time. This is particularly useful for seeing trends and making adjustments based on seasonality or other factors affecting user behavior. Whether you're seeing a spike in engagement or a drop, this feature helps pinpoint the timing and relevance of your content. Next, dive deeper into the engagement section, where you'll get detailed metrics like how long users are spending on your content. This is a strong indicator of whether your content is engaging enough to hold your audience's attention. If people are dropping off early, it's a sign you need to tweak your quiz or survey to keep them engaged longer. One important feature in tracking Outgrow engagement analytics is the ability to monitor your conversion rate. This is the percentage of people who complete your content and take the action you want, like signing up for an email list or making a purchase. If you're not seeing the conversion rates you want, it's time to reevaluate your questions or calls to action within the tool. You can also track how many users share their results, which is an excellent way to measure social proof and virality. Outgrow also gives you the ability to track specific user responses and segment them based on criteria like demographics or answers. This way, you can see what types of responses lead to better engagement or higher conversion rates. It also enables you to personalize your follow-up content, increasing the likelihood of turning leads into customers. Additionally, Outgrow allows you to integrate your engagement data with your CRM, email marketing, or automation tools. This is perfect for automating your follow-ups based on the behavior and interactions captured during your quizzes or surveys. By connecting these tools, you create a seamless workflow that ensures no lead slips through the cracks. Now, let's talk about the performance over time. Outgrow's analytics let you track which content is performing best and where your audience is losing interest. Knowing which specific questions or answers have the highest engagement can help you optimize your content for better results. Another great feature of Outgrow's engagement tracking is the real-time data updates. This means you don't have to wait for reports to be generated. You get instant feedback on how your content is doing. This allows you to make tweaks on the fly, improving your user experience as you go along. And remember, as you track your engagement analytics, always keep an eye on the overall user journey. Are your users engaging with your entire piece of content, or are they dropping off in certain sections? Outgrow's analytics let you track this journey in real time, helping you improve individual parts of your content based on actual user behavior. Before we wrap up, don't forget that we've partnered with Outgrow to give you an exclusive, extended free trial. Just hit the first link in the description below to sign up and start tracking your engagement analytics for free. Plus, unlock some awesome bonuses to help you optimize your marketing efforts. Now you've got the full picture of how to track Outgrow engagement analytics effectively. By monitoring these key metrics, you'll be able to make data-driven decisions that improve your content's performance, boost conversions, and ultimately grow your business. Keep tracking, tweaking, and optimizing, and watch your results grow.